Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn how to read and write really big numbers all the way up to 10 million. Let's get started. Now, big numbers can look a little scary, but here is a simple trick. First, we split the number into groups of 3 digits, starting from the right. Each group is called a period. From the right, we have the ones, then the thousands, then the millions. We put a comma between the groups so they are easy to see. Then we read each group and say its period name. Finally, we write the words exactly as we say them. Easy, right? All right, let's try one together. Here is our question. We need to write the number 4,528,063 in words. The digits are 4, 5, 2, 8, 0, 6, 3. Let's work it out step by step. Let's begin. First, we group the digits in threes, starting from the right. So 4,528,063 becomes 4,528,063. Do you see how the commas help us? Next, we name each period. The 4 on the left is in the millions, the 528 is in the thousands, and the 063 is in the ones. Now we read the millions group, 4, so that is 4 million. Then we read the thousands group, 528, so that is 528,000. Now the ones group, 063, we don't say the 0, we just say 63. Now we put it all together, 4,528,063. Well done. So our final answer is 4,528,063. Remember to spell every word carefully when you write it down. Let's recap what we learnt today. First, group the digits in threes, starting from the right. Next, remember the 3 periods, millions, thousands, and ones. Then read each group and say its period name. Always remember that place value matters. The 4 here means 4 millions, not just 4. And lastly, write the words exactly as you read them. Great job today, everyone. Keep practicing and soon you will read any big number with ease.